Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Celestia. An update was needed. Celestia is still very bullish. You could even say technically that it's actually in a very bullish channel right here, as you can see. You could say that that's not necessarily how I see it, but Celestia definitely is rallying, right? So yesterday when I made the video, I think the price was right here. So it was at like $3.4. Most of you will know, all right? I'm not sure again where it necessarily was. But all right, Celestia, so it was there. And what I said is that I felt like it was most likely that Celestia would break above 3.4 again and then rally up to $4 and the next price target. I think $4 was the level I named. But personally, the next price target for me was 4.5. That has also been hit. That was also my second take profit, because if you missed the video yesterday, we actually took this trade in the Signal group. Celestia looked very bullish the evening before, so we entered right here at $3 at the pullback. So take profit. One of the take profit levels was at 4.5, and in my eyes, like I've taken most of the profits, but it still looks very bullish. And that's what I wanted to talk about. So Celestia right now, there's a rally going on. If you consider the open interest and the volume, you would say it will go higher. All right, the open interest and the volume is still increasing. It's still ridiculously high. And there's basically been no bearish confirmation for TIA or for Celestia. Right? I mean, it's making higher lows, it's making higher highs, and we've seen no bearish breakout. So I have to say, if you want to know what's most likely to happen from here, 4.5 is the main resistance level right now. It's a bit of a psychological resistance level, but there's also a Fibonacci extension level, the 3.618. I would say it's most likely that it will break above that and rally up higher, where $5 is the obvious price target, but given the price target so far, it seems like the Fibonacci extension levels are respected, and the next Fibonacci extension is at 5.5. So that's my price target, and it seems most likely that it will get there. Now, obviously, you should know I'm still long on this, right? So I might be a little bit biased. Obviously, I would want it to get up there because that would make an amazing trade and it would make me money. So perhaps I'm a bit biased, but like I said, I mean, we've seen like Celestia is affiliated with Binance. We've seen this before, where, for example, Cyber, also affiliated with Binance, started rallying like crazy right here, right? So that went up from 3.7 all the way up to $15. I'm not saying something like that will happen with TIA, but that is like TIA right now is up from 2.4 to 4.6 or 4.5. So given that, it still has way more potential. And then if you consider the momentum right now, you would also say it's still very bullish. So that's why I expect something like this. Now, if for some reason, and you should know that, like when Celestia will fall, it's probably going to fall down pretty hard. So if for some reason the main support level right now, which is like 4.1 and 4.25, if for some reason, I'm going to repeat it one last time, Celestia breaks down below that level, which is a possibility, then it's over, all right? That's a possibility. At this moment, it doesn't look likely given the circumstances in the market and given the statistics and the numbers for Celestia, but it's a possibility, all right? So those are my thoughts. This is what I expect. It's not, it's dangerous, it's volatile, it's a pretty risky trade if you would want to take it. I wouldn't take it anymore from these areas, but yeah, so that's still what I expect. It's also fairly uncorrelated with Bitcoin. So even if Bitcoin falls down, TIA would still, I expect that to hold. And yeah, I think that's everything you need to know. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. If you want more value from me in terms of the premium group perhaps, or the Signal group, links to that will be down in the description. There you can find out more. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.